Oh, you stopped it?
Yeah, now it's going again.
All right, so you're going to kind of rub them on the bottom. Bring it up close so they can see. Rub them on the bottom of your thing. And your water's dirty, so that's not really good. Now see what happens when you leave them in here? Like my daughter used the paintbrushes last night and she just left them in here. That's not good because they're gonna go bad. Here's a really good example of not washing it out. You see, we'll never be able to use this paintbrush again because it's all crusty and hard and it's not gonna work anymore. All right, so what I normally do to wash them out is I try to run some hot water. Take a little bit of soap, not a lot. Whoop, I dropped it, goodness. I usually put a little dab. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a tiny little dab, less than the size of a dime. Oh, my dog wants to help. Hi, Ranger, are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me wash the brushes? Yeah, we don't wash the brushes? Yeah, you can't eat that. All right, so I'm not gonna put water in here. I'm gonna take my brush, and this has like a little bit of bumps on it. I'm just gonna rub my brush in the soap. All right, so I'm getting all the paint off. And I'm gonna make sure it's off. But look, I got it on my paintbrush too. So what I wanna do, I'm gonna take my sponge, I'm gonna get my sponge wet. And I'll wash that off too if I can, because I want my brushes to last for a long time, because they're not cheap to buy brushes every time that you paint. And just like this, and now that my brush is all clean, I want to get the soap out. So I'm gonna use warm water. I'm gonna kind of fan out the brush a little bit so I make sure that there's no paint on it. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna kind of shake it, get some of that water out. And I'm gonna try to make my brush back to the shape it was before I started painting with it. And I'm gonna take a towel and we'll wipe it off. So, two things you can do. One, you wanna check it and make sure that there's no more paint on it. See, no more paint. And make sure it's the shape that I want. I can put it like this with the brush side up in a cup to dry. If you don't have a cup ready, you can put down a napkin, or you can put this down on your table and just set it like flat so it'll dry, and let it dry, and then once it dries you can put it back wherever you store your brushes. All right, so make sure you clean up your mess. I'll see you next time. Bye.